A tired bird landed on a branch. The bird rested, enjoying the view from the branch and the protection it offered from dangerous animals. Just as the bird became used to the branch and the support and safety it offered, a strong wind started blowing, and the tree swayed with such intensity that it seemed the branch would snap in half. But the bird was not worried, for it knew two important truths. The first truth, which is, even without the branch it was able to fly, and thus remain safe through the power of its own two wings. The second truth, which is, it also knew that there are many other branches upon which it can temporarily rest. This small story tells us a lot about our own self-confidence and courage. We are capable of so much more than we realize in everyday life, and when we can just release our grasp on the physical structures that hold us to the ground, then we start to understand just how far we can fly under our own power. Throughout the forests of our own lives, there are many so-called branches and trees on which we rely on. And while sometimes we do need recovery and shelter, we can also learn as we grow that these sources of safety do not always last. What is really lasting and permanent rests within us, in the form of positive self-esteem and belief in our own unique abilities.